Hi, it's Forex Academy, and I want to say thank you to all our new subscribers. You're welcome to this channel where we share with you educative and informative ideas that will help you take your trading to the next level. In this video, I will be sharing with you a strategy of how you can combine a special Bollinger Band setting together with your price action. A Bollinger Band trading strategy with a price action. This Bollinger Band is very effective, and I've found it being used by Soji Forex. So for more details, you can as well search for Soji Forex on YouTube, so you can get more details on how this strategy is applicable. But in this video, I'll be setting up the Bollinger Band indicator, and I'll be explaining how exactly you can take advantage of this indicator in order to better your trading. The indicator is going to serve as our primary tool of analysis. Every other thing remains the same. Remember, we said we'll begin our trading by first analyzing and deciding what is the direction of the market, which is to determine the trend of the market. And looking at this, price has been bullish. This is an uptrend, and you can see the price is giving us a higher low here. This is a higher low. At that point, here we have a higher high. Then price give us a new higher low. Here we have a higher high, and of course we have this new higher low that has been formed, and then we are expecting price to present for us a new higher high. We say once we've determined our direction of the market, the next thing is for us to determine our point of interest. And we said our point of interest can either be an order block, a smart money cube, a fair value gap, which is an imbalance, or a support and resistance zone. And looking at this particular price behavior, if we put our trend line, you notice that price is in an uptrend because we are having a series of higher low. Now, when price left this particular zone to create a new higher high, here was our order block. Obviously, this is our order block. This was our order block. And then look at what happened. Price left that zone and move to this upside, and afterward price pull back into this particular order block. So now when price begins to pull to this order block, how do we find our entry? You can either find your entry on a 1 hour time frame using the candlestick pattern, which is either the bullish engulfing candle or the pin bar and a hammer, or a bearish engulfing candle. These are the only two types of candlestick that we trade. Now look at this. Price pull back into this zone, and as price is pulling into that zone, we begin to look for a candlestick pattern. So when price came to that zone, look at what happened. Here now we have a doji, and after that we have this bullish engulfing candle. And of course, this bullish engulfing candle covers so much. You can see that this particular bullish engulfing candle covers how many bearish candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Covers 5 hours of previous candle. And when that was happening, our CCI line is actually crossing above the level of 20 and 10. And when that was happening, we have that beautiful entry, which gave us this buy signal, and our stop loss is here, and then here we are buying to the upside. Having established that, after that particular movement, that is how we get into this. So price make this movement and it went to the upside. So when that happened, our order block changes. This now becomes our recent order block, and true to that, price went all the way to the upside. Price went up here and then returned into this particular order block. So when price was returning here, let's look at our 15-minute time frame again. Our 1 hour time frame. You can see that now on our 1 hour time frame, we are having a pin bar candlestick formation, a hammer candlestick formation. So you can see this price pull back into this. You can see we have this rejection 1, and then we have this particular pin bar hammer, and that this double confirmation becomes our validation. So here we have our buy, and here we have our stop loss, and to this there is a double confirmation. If you look at it, we are having a divergence. So this is a divergence, and we say whenever we are having a divergence, it shows to us that we are at the end of that particular pullback. So this is how beautiful you can take advantage of this. Alright, so this has been our trading pattern, and this has been what we have been using and has been working for us. Now let us incorporate the Soji Forex trading Bollinger Band. Now here is the setting for the Bollinger Band. So the Bollinger Band, the period is 130, deviation is 2.0, shift is 0. You apply to close. Okay, so here we have our Bollinger Band. So the page is refreshing gradually. So if you look critically, you realize that here is a Bollinger Band. This is the middle Bollinger Band. And then this should be the lower Bollinger Band, as the case may be. So this is clear. This is 15-minute time frame. Let's look at 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here is our Bollinger Band. So this is the upper Bollinger Band, this is the middle Bollinger Band, and this is the lower Bollinger Band. So we are going to incorporate this as part of our trading system, and to see exactly how we can profit trading this particular pattern of the Bollinger Band. So I'll be sharing in this video how we can use it to confirm our trading entry, how we can use this Bollinger Band to confirm and validate our trading entry. Now when it comes to confirming our trading entry, we will only be using the upper Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band. I repeat, in order to confirm our trading entry, we'll be using the lower Bollinger Band and the upper Bollinger Band. So what that implies is that anytime we want to sell, we are going to put upper Bollinger Band into consideration. And anytime we want to buy, we are going to put the lower Bollinger Band into consideration. This is now giving us confluence, more reason to verify our trade entry and execution. On this H4, we have already done our analysis and we have determined what our trend is. And remember, we said price went all the way to the upside and then price pulled back into our order block. So now that price is in our order block, the question is, how do we make our entry? So now let's go to 1 hour time frame. Now on this 1 hour time frame, remember this arrow shows us price returning into our zone, which is okay. So now for you to make entry, a buy entry, the confirmation you will want to see is that you will now want to see price around the lower Bollinger Band. So you can see this lower Bollinger Band and you can see the rejection of this pin bar that we had happen around the lower Bollinger Band. So henceforth, if you want to buy and the formation, the candlestick pattern, which is the function of the price action, should coincide with the lower Bollinger Band. So this lower Bollinger Band around the zone of our order block, which is as a support zone, and the lower Bollinger Band is there, serves as a dynamic support and resistance one. It also serves as a point of exhaustion level, which shows that this pullback has actually come to an end. And coupled with the fact that we are having a divergence, and this divergence is happening around the lower Bollinger Band. That is for a buy. For a sell, it will be around the upper Bollinger Band. Now let's look at 15 minutes where this entry was taken from. Beautiful. So you can see that even on our 15 minutes, we are having a divergence. This is a divergence on our 15 minutes. Price is making a lower low, indicator is making a higher low. This is a higher low, while price is giving us a lower low. And as this is happening, what is the next confirmation? The next confirmation is the fact that price is around the lower Bollinger Band. So this validates our entry. Of course, you can see the pin bar rejection and then the engulfing candle. And above all, if you are using your trend line, to confirm this entry, you can see how price break the trend line. Okay, price break out of the trend line, retest it, and then it move to the upside. So this is how you can incorporate this Bollinger Band. In the subsequent video, I'll be explaining in detail how exactly you will use this Bollinger Band to change your trading drastically. Thank you for watching to this time. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when we upload our next video.